Discover the spring vocabulary in English. How much do you know about spring words in English? This video is the perfect solution. Are you ready to go to the next level? So let's begin. Rainbow, rainbow. I love the colorful rainbow. Sunshine, sunshine. The sunshine makes me happy. Blue skies, blue skies. Look at the beautiful blue skies. Spring, spring. In spring, flowers bloom and birds sing. Flowers, flowers. I picked a bouquet of pretty flowers. Growth, growth. Plants need sunlight and water for growth. Birds, birds. The birds are chirping in the trees. Melting, melting. The ice is melting under the warm sun. Bee, bee. Bees collect nectar to make honey. Butterfly, butterfly. The butterfly has colorful wings. Bunny, bunny. The fluffy bunny hopped in the garden. Grass, grass. Let's play on the soft green grass. Nest, nest. The bird built a cozy nest in the tree. Ladybug, ladybug. The red ladybug has black spots. Pollen, pollen. Bees carry pollen from flower to flower. Frog, frog. The frog jumped into the pond. May, May. May is the month of blooming flowers. Gardening, gardening. I enjoy gardening and planting flowers. Egg, egg. The bird laid a small white egg. Chick, chick. The cute chick hatched from the egg. Sprouts, sprouts. The tiny sprouts are growing in the soil. If you want to learn English easily and quickly, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out our next video that I'm leaving you around here.